Hello, my name's Joff Summerfield and welcome to On The Road Reviews. Today we're going to be talking about the North Face Thermoball jacket. Suddenly being surrounded by pigeons now as well, which is, I suppose that's a good thing. Anyway, we're in Greenwich Park today. It's a beautiful day. It's not really the kind of day you'd be wearing a warming jacket like this, but it's good to talk about these because these are a fantastic jacket. So North Face have their own special fill for the jackets, and it's called Thermoball, and it's like a little nylon way of keeping the warm air in there. Compared to a down jacket, these probably aren't as warm, but the key thing is if it gets wet, it stays warm, whereas a down jacket, as I'm sure you know, if it gets wet, it's useless. It doesn't do anything to you at all. Now, I've used this jacket. First, I got them in 2014, and I took it all through some North America, Central and South America, and it performed fantastically. I couldn't speak more highly of them. The wear and tear, I mean, it is on its last legs now, and there's a few rips, but it still works, to be honest. It still works. I could take it on a short trip again. I do probably need a new one now, but it works. So you can wear it in the tent, if it's rain, if you're riding on the bike and you're sweating at all, and then you come to stop, it still keeps you warm. That's the main thing. They're quite expensive, but you know, this is like 4 or 5 years I've had this now, and it's still working. I say you wouldn't want to wear it as a nice jacket because it's a bit raggy now, but if you're travelling, who cares? It doesn't matter. But so anyway, have a look on to Amazon and see what other people's reviews are. I think they're fantastic, to be honest, and I really recommend them. So there you go. So it's the North Face Thermoball jacket. I'll leave some links down below. If you like the video, it's very quick and down and dirty, but it's like an honest review, and if I don't like it, I'll say it. So anyway, if you like the channel, please click subscribe. Click the bell as well if you want to get notifications when I upload a new video. I'm going to try and get them more regular if I can, but I'm sort of playing with this new VR 180 technology, so it takes a bit longer to process everything. But hopefully this will be of help to you, and say North Face Thermoball jacket. So thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.